Hey friends, if you wish to create a guest account on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So it's easy. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Now go to the accounts tab on the list on the left hand side, and in the right pane scroll down to family because they don't call it guest, they call it a family. And this is for Microsoft accounts. If you wish to add a local account, then click on other users, click on add account. Click on I don't have this person sign in information. Click on add the user without a Microsoft account and enter the person's credentials and add that account. That will become a guest account. But for your family members or for members who wish to log in using a Microsoft account, select the family section. Now, if that person is not added in this list here already, then click on add someone and wait for it to be added, and then enter the email address and then click on next and the password, and then it will be added. So once they are added here, it doesn't mean that they can sign in as a guest. It has simply been added. To give them that permission, click on the downward pointing arrow and click on allow sign in and then click on allow. Now if you click on the account type, you notice that this account is a standard user account, which means that it's a guest account. So this member will be able to log into the system as a guest, but this person will not have administrator access. This person will not be able to change the properties of your Windows computer. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of this video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.